fidget spinner Easter egg in the picture. There's the cinema. We're going to go and watch a movie at the cinema. Here we are. Here we are at the cinema. Ribbon is rock climbing. I might join him. He's running across the
Got
bed.
him.
That's how I do it. I hear him sound. Wonder what? What's going on just now? So guys, so the video is finished now, so yeah, that was kind of cool. Let's try a game of Crock Fox. Oops, that didn't go far at all. Switch. Fidget spinner Easter egg in the picture. Let's go up here, so it's really dark up here.
I don't think you got that way. There you go. We can also walk this way.
Let's just go along here and see. Wait, we can look down at this town. Or scares us with the nerve and see.
Wow.
This is spooky.
You wanted to go up the other tower though, didn't you? Which is that way.
Yeah.
So up that way that you see.
Ruben, why have you got the sword out?
I've got the sword.
Why have you got the sword out then?
Just in case anybody pops out and
That's the way into town. Right, let's go up here. I can still hear the thing. I can still hear the movie playing. Okay, should we go up more? Should we go up more? Should we go up more?
Got one.
Oh, no entry. There's a sign that's... Oh, that's staff only in there. That's staff only.
Here we go.
Why don't we climb up more and see?
Wow!
Oh, you've got it.
Just chuck it down. Ruben, just chuck it down to Mummy. Chuck the sword down to Mummy. He's gonna chuck the sword down.
No, I wouldn't, in case it blows away. Just I'll carry it. It's okay. Right, fall. You know where. Okay,
Let's see what he's doing through here. Whoa, that's the roof.
I
think we're on a roof. Never known that this is here.
Should we see? I think.
We're gonna go up more. Okay, let's go up. Let's see if we can get to the very top of the tower. Surrender! Ruben, what are you doing?
In case anybody from
Let's go up more.
olden days pop out.
No one's alive since then. That was in the 1800s.
Well, this is one tall time.
Look at that. Where's Laddie? That. Okay. Oh, this is getting darker. Have a second. This is pitch black now. I can't see any.
Ah, surrender night.
That was funny. Ah! No, don't hit me! That's where we came up. Right, let's go up. But you said to keep going down. Go down on the ground. Oh, we're not at the bottom yet. Let's go down more. Okay, we're not going down. Ah, I don't want to fall down on me. Let's go on the slide. It's gonna be sore. We got a sore tummy again. How's that? Whee! Let's go fast. You gonna dance? Yo guys, what's up inside? Okay. Yo guys, what's up inside? The kid welcome to a random video. Today I'll be trying a bottle flip. We're on holiday if you want to know. And this is the ground. So I'm gonna be trying to do some bottle flipping, eh? It's really tricky actually. It's actually really addictive once you do it once. You get it. You just want to keep doing it. So yeah. We try it. Whoa! Yeah, there we go. It's one at your take. I was trying it like on a bench earlier, but it wasn't working at all. Like I was trying it from like 2 feet away and it wasn't working, so I just gave up on that one. But it's easy doing it on the ground, so I was thinking of doing like a video on tricks. Why, there we go. Whoa. They just went into a shop. I'm doing a video on bottle flipping challenge video. Right. Okay, we need a timer. We could do a challenge back at the house, but yeah, I'm just doing a video of me trying to. Yes, doing a video of me trying to do bottle flips like that, just like that. So it does actually take some time.
It is hard.
Yeah. So this video was made ages ago. If you want to know, like a week ago or something. So yeah. It's my time now. Oh, Ruben, don't do it that high or it won't work. It takes some time. Oh!
Boys, do you remember how Samuel and Minnie got you ribbon?
Oh!
It's in the window. They've got two.
Okay, let's try. Let's try again. Let's try again. Let's try again. Imagine if I can knock this right over and then it would go and boom. Let's actually try and knock it and try. Nope. That's probably really tricky. Oi! Let's try this one. Please first. No, this one's way too full for ball flipping. One more.
I'll see you down there, yeah? James, you got his phone with him. If you don't get in touch with anybody,
All that good food. Had lots of sweets. I'd like to get this Let's get some before we go back.
That's how you do it. 2 in a row. 2 in a row. Right, let's try this one again. This one's easier because it's got less water somehow. Not the other one, I don't know how, but it's about the right length. But still, it's way more heavier the other one. Oh! So guys, it's the end of this video. See you guys on another video soon. Bye. Oh my goodness, look what I just did. Keep watching. So guys, that's the end of this video. See you guys in another video soon. Bye.